My name is Pat Taroni. I'm from McGregor, Minnesota. This is my 70th year. When I was in high school, I turned heads. My grandmother was a really beautiful woman. I remember thinking, my gosh, she can walk into a room and have people take notice. I'm thinking at 70, that would be kind of fun. I think I'm going to start brushing my teeth every day.
No, that's perfect. I might get up and brush my teeth tomorrow. Me too.
The only thing I wanted was to walk out of here and not have people wonder if I was male or female. I'd like to come out of here having people not have to guess whether I'm a man or a woman. I still got the female part. I know how it feels. I've had it before. It's nice to have it back.